So why is the stock market dropping? What's going on, team? It's Ricky with TechBud Solutions. I made a video yesterday talking about the unemployment report. The unemployment report was going to be released today, 1 hour before the market opened. I don't even know if you guys follow me or subscribe to me, but I actually live streamed that unemployment report. I told you guys, if you wanted me to host that unemployment report, subscribe and get this video to over 2,000 likes. You guys killed it. I hosted that live stream and we killed it, right? We knew what the expectation was. I'm going to break it down for you in this video. So QQQ, which is the NASDAQ ETF, is down 2.6%, meaning the NASDAQ index is down 6%. TQQQ is down 8%. That means that on my SQQQ position, I am up over $22,000 on the day. How, Ricky? How is it that I didn't know. I can't predict the future, right? But if you guys watch even today's earlier live stream, I live streamed all of this. I also traded in front of my Learn Plan Profit group. The great thing about this is that your job as a trader, as an investor, is not to predict the future. It's to prepare for it. And we all knew that there was uncertainty of this unemployment report that would influence the market. Unemployment is currently at 3.7%. That was our prior reporting. The expectation was 3.7%. Why, if it came in lower than expected, is the market dropping? Because therefore, if unemployment's lower, the Federal Reserve can justify raising interest rates higher. Think of the economy as a fire. And the Federal Reserve, they're firefighters. They're trying to contain the fire. If they see that the economy is not being contained and it continues to grow, right? Lower unemployment means more growth potentially. Therefore, they're only going to use more water and more strategies to put out and contain that fire. And that's what the Federal Reserve needs to do. They're not going to stop. They're not going to allow this fire to go beyond where it's at now. So therefore, they will just be more aggressive in how they put out that fire. And this is why the market is dropping, because this will only justify that the Federal Reserve can raise interest rates higher and of course tighten their balance sheet even more because unemployment came in lower than expected. Again, the Federal Reserve simply wants to see the economy to feel the pressure. I'm actually thinking of reducing my position size. There goes $24,000 on the day. I'm going to reduce my position size. I'm going to sell 3,000 shares and I'll put a limit order to sell right around 57.44. How does that sound? 57.44. Let's go ahead and put that limit order out there. Boom, boom, boom. There we go. All right. We'll close this out. But altogether, again, we prepared for this. We talked about it. I traded live. I think within our live session of the unemployment report, I was up about like $10,000 or $11,000 because of that big shift. This was all pre-market. And then during normal trading hours, I began to trade live with my Learn Plan Profit group, just like I do every single morning. And I made an additional $10,000. So again, I trade live every single day. You don't have to join my group. But if you're tired of missing out, if you want to be able to see what we're talking about every single day, ask yourself a simple question. Would it be of value for you to be able to watch me trade live whenever you want to, right? I trade live every day. That's regardless, right? That's besides the point. I know that you might be a full-time student. You might be a full-time worker. Whenever you want to, that's the whole point of this. You can join in and watch me trade live. Again, right now we're running one of our biggest sales ever. It's $100 off. It's the second link in the description down below. And again, if you want to watch me trade live every single day, if you want access to our A to Z video lesson library, daily live trading session, private group chat, and access to our TechBuds HQ, it's all inclusive. It's a one-time payment and it's lifetime access. That simple. I even just added a new section that actually talks about how you can short the market when the market is selling off. Again, that probably would have been useful to know prior to this unemployment report. And there it goes. I just reduced my position size, sold 3,000 shares, up $24,000 on the day. It's a good Friday. Again, the only people that freak out when the market pulls back are those that did not prepare. Are you tired of not preparing? If so, I'd love to be of value for you. Join our team, second link down below. Or if you have any questions, feel free to send me a direct message via Discord. That's the first link in the description. Or send me a direct message via Instagram, and that's that third link down below. Friendly reminder, I'm verified on all these different platforms. If the account is not verified, then it's simply not me. There's a bunch of fake accounts out there, so please make sure that you are aware of that. So I really do appreciate you guys' time. Hope and wish you guys an amazing Friday. If you guys have any questions, you guys know how to reach out to me. I'm using the Webull trading platform. That's the 5th link down below. And if you use my link and deposit $1, you will automatically earn 12 free stocks when you deposit those $1. It's a free trading app. It's what I use to trade every single day. And yes, they do have also a mobile application. Also, don't forget to pick up your Wall Street Trading Journal and any of your Wall Street apparel. And that's all available at shoptechbuds.com. And you will automatically be entered for this staycation giveaway, and that is that 4th link down below. If you want a trading mouse pad, some Wall Street apparel, some aluminum art, even some trading flags, this is all available, shoptechbuds.com. And again, that is the 4th link in the description. So I really do appreciate you guys' time. Hope that it earned your thumbs up. I will see you for our live trading session on Monday at Market Open if you end up joining our team. And again, that's that 2nd link in the description. $25,000 on the day. So grateful. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.